Could one missile reshape the balance of power in modern warfare? Russia's Iskander-M might be that weapon, and recent reports suggest it could now be entering true mass production. For over 2 decades, the Iskander-M tactical ballistic missile system has stood as a cornerstone of Russia's military arsenal. Capable of striking targets up to 500 kilometers away, the system is renowned for its high accuracy, its ability to maneuver during the terminal phase, and the difficulty it poses to modern air defense systems. But today, a critical question emerges. Is Russia truly ramping up the Iskander-M into full-scale mass production? Intelligence assessments from 2024 and 2025 suggest that production has accelerated significantly. Where annual output was once limited, estimates now point to hundreds of missiles being produced each year. Russian defense industries have reportedly modernized assembly lines, replacing restricted Western electronics with domestic alternatives in order to sustain and expand manufacturing. For Moscow, this isn't just about numbers. Mass production of the Iskander-M means reinforcing its precision strike capability and projecting a message of deterrence, both to NATO and to its regional adversaries. With mobile launchers that are hard to detect and rapidly deploy, the Iskander-M provides Russia with a uniquely flexible offensive and defensive tool. Yet, important doubts remain. How reliable are these newly produced missiles under sanctions and technological constraints? Is quality being sacrificed in favor of quantity? These uncertainties make the story of the Iskander-M's production not just a technical issue, but a geopolitical one. The real question is not simply how many missiles Russia can build, but how this might reshape the strategic balance in the years ahead. In the end, whether Russia's Iskander-M is truly entering mass production is a question still unfolding, but one with profound implications for global security. What do you think? Is Russia's missile industry prioritizing numbers over performance? Or are we witnessing a genuine leap in capability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on global defense and security.